It was India taking on Canada, and unfortunately, we wouldn't have a game. The game is abandoned due to rain. To talk about this and a little more, we have Mr. Sabah Karim, Mr. Vijay Dahiya joining us as always. Sabah, sir, not good news for the cricket fans who turned up and were praying to watch a game.
Especially for the Canadian team and their fans. Rather unfortunate. Well, you possibly can't fight nature, you can only admire it.
Yeah.
And I think that's what has happened today. None of the games have been played here, isn't it? Because of this inclement weather,
Right.
Which is rather unfortunate. I also now I'm thinking that why was it necessary to organize matches here at this time of the year? Why not more games in New York? What about Dallas? They had two other possible venues. So I think you need to keep in mind the weather conditions before you announce the fixtures.
And especially in today's day and age, where the technology is so superior that you can figure it out that what sort of a weather you're gonna get, and it's a World Cup, mind you, it's a World Cup, and World Cup where US is doing so well, and they want this game to be spread out almost everywhere, wherever, and like you just mentioned, Dallas is a place where this game is very famous. There are a lot of people.
And imagine, Vijay, this is the India-Pakistan game at this place. What would have happened?
Yeah.
No one would have wanted something like this to take place. So that's what I said. I think ICC को थोड़ा बहुत ध्यान देना होगा.
मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ इसकी एक बहुत बड़ी वजह ये है कि अगर आप यूएस में क्रिकेट के बारे में बात करें तो ये इनका एक प्रमुख सेंटर है. यहाँ पे पिछले कुछ समय में अगर आप देखें तो सबसे ज़्यादा मैचेस यहाँ होते हैं. शायद इसको इसलिए तवज्जो दी गई हो, लेकिन इस तरीके से आप बिल्कुल नहीं देखना चाहते हो.
सारे मैचेस थे यहाँ पे होने थे.
अब जितने भी होने थे
अब तक एक भी मैच नहीं हुआ है. तो ये तीसरा मैच है शायद जो अबेंडन हुआ है.
श्रीलंका नेपाल के लिए भी it was chock-a-block thanks to Nepal fans, but unfortunately they couldn't get a game. You would say bigger loss for Canada in terms of the sheer opportunity to have played India, the eyeballs they would have got?
Oh yeah, by a distance. I think Canada would have been very excited to play against India. As I said earlier, that it should have been a good test of their strength, their character, their temperament. And when you play against a top quality side like India, number one is your preparation, number two is your execution. Whatever plans you have in mind, are you able to execute them or not? So this is a great testing ground, or this would have been a great testing ground for Canada.
Right.
The way US played against India, that would have really emboldened Canada also. That US ने इतना अच्छा किया है, तो हम भी उतना कर सकते हैं, because उनकी अपनी rivalry जो sibling rivalry जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, वो भी चलती आती है. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत बड़ा मुझे लगता है अनफॉर्चुनेट है ये कनाडा के लिए.
मैं तो सिर्फ ये सोच रहा हूँ कि इस मैच में किसी ने अगर बुमराह को छक्का लगाया होता या किसी ने विराट कोहली को आउट किया होता, वो मोमेंट सबसे बड़ा हाई है लाइफ का. ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि आप कभी भी उसके बारे में सोचेंगे ना तो वो आपको वो हाई देगा कि मैंने किस तरीके से विराट को आउट किया या किसी ने बुमराह को छक्का लगाया. वो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी थी जो मुझे लगता है कनाडा जो मिस कर गई. और इसमें से काफ़ी सारे ऐसे खिलाड़ी होंगे कि उनको ये नहीं पता कि अब अगली अपॉर्चुनिटी कभी आएगी कि नहीं. तो ये वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी थी जिसको वो ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि मिस करेंगे. रिजल्ट कुछ भी हो, लेकिन ये इन लोगों के साथ खेलना, इन लोगों के साथ वो स्टेज शेयर करना, आई थिंक दैट्स अ बिग मिस फॉर कनाडा टीम.